Essential steps that you have to follow institute any family case. Then you have to institute any family case. Then you have to, first of all, you have to meeting with clients, and then you said and you demand for the essential documents like this ID card, nikah and the child expenses and fees, education expenses, etc. These are such essentials for institute any case, and it depends upon the case which are you going to file, that is talaq and about the child custody, etc. And for hula, that you need to file any case essential documents you required. Second, you have to decide forum, which will be forum you have to file. And second, forum may be for child, and forum may be guardian ward act, forum may be for the servant service वगैरह, you have to decide, and which is your case for civil nature. Then you decide the forum. Third, you have to draft this suit which you have to institute. And if the case is composite means there are two or more cases like the talaq and the with you can also say talaq, dower, both are cases, and that one or more cases are composite case. Fourth, you have to file plaint and annexure attached, and with also attached with the affidavit, witnesses statement, that you do not file in the civil cases, but in family cases you have to file. During filing the family case, you have to annex and witnesses statement with affidavit. Then we will move on the practice. Then you go to court for the first hearing, second hearing, then the notices are served both parties. It may take time, 1 year to 2 years. And second stage is the compromise stage. In this compromise stage, there will be hula or compromise. If you think compromise, then you go to for evidence and the decree, and there is again your marriage is regulate. If we talk about the decree, there is no option for appeal. Okay, in hula case there is no option, but there is an option if your wife is agree for the again compromise and again regulate the marriage, then it may be possible. Then you can go to court for pass a decree, otherwise your hula is granted. In case if you compromise, then evidence recorded, and against the hearings, and again the final hearing, and again the past decree for regulated marriage, because you can say that hula is the first talaq. That's why we can say that there is a chances if the wife is agree for again regulate the marriage, otherwise hula is granted. And in compromise state, you can go to again court for past decree to regulate your marriage, because it is your first talaq. Hula is also called the first talaq. There is chances that it may be compromise. When you go to compromise stage, then you go to the talaq. You have to time for 90 days. Within 90 days you have to decide, and you give talaq with after 30 days. Three times you pronounce talaq. Within 90 days you have to decide, and after your final decision, your marriage is consummate, and after your marriage is not consummate, this is decided. Halala is essential when the talaq-e-hasan is mostly completed. Otherwise, within compromise times, 90 days, you can no need for halala.